Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online classroom. I am Asha, your English teacher. And how do you feel today? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Am I right? Yes, maybe you will miss your friends. We can pray to God for the reopening of our school. Okay. And what we discussed in the previous classroom? Yes, we discussed our fourth lesson. What's the name of the lesson? Yes, how the firefly got its light. In this chapter, we were discussed about an insect. Which is that insect? Yes, firefly. How the firefly got its light. It was a springtime. All the insects were very happy. What is the reason? Yes, they flew from one flower to another flower to sipping nectar. What do you mean by nectar? Nectar means a sweet juice inside the flowers that we can call nectar. So they flew from one flower to another flower to collect nectar. But our fly was so sad. What is the reason? Yes, because he thought he has nothing special. And he said, look at the butterfly. Butterfly is so pretty. And look at the bee. The bee is so strong. But I have nothing special. He always thinks about that. That's why he became sad. Because of this reason, he could not sleep at night. So one day he could not sleep at night and he flew around in the garden. And at that time he saw the stars are shining in the sky. But our moon heard this voice and our moon said to the fly, if you can be my friend, I will help you to shine. But our fly has a doubt how he can help him. But he agreed and he became the friend of moon. And at that time our moon taught him a secret spell. What do you mean by spell? Yes, spell means the words with the power of magic. So he taught him a secret spell and said to him, every day and night you say these words. After that you will shine. And our fly agreed. In the next day itself he stayed awake at night. And he said the spell. What was the spell? Yes, fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. As soon as he said this spell, what happened? Yes, he started to shine. Okay. So it was a magic. And after seeing this, our mole and mouse also were surprised. And they thought they also want to shine like our fly. Okay. And our fly became so happy because he started to shine. And he said to the moon, Moon, I will always be your friend, and when you come out in the dark, I will shine brightly to welcome you. So they became friends and our moon said, yes, thank you dear fly. So in this lesson, we discussed about the friendship between the moon and the fly. I know all of you have your own friends. Now you are missing your friends. So just make a call to your friend once in a week. Keep in touch with them. Okay. So today we will discuss one of the textual exercises from lesson 4. So they are given some words and below the words they are written some sentences. Using that words we want to complete the sentences. So shall we start? In the box they are given the words pretty, shine, special, strong, spell and stars. So using these words we want to fill the below sentences. The first sentence, fly was sad because he wanted to be dash. What's the answer? Yes, special. And the second one, fly thought bee was dash. Yes, strong. Fly thought bee was strong. And third one, fly thought butterfly was dash. What is the answer? Yes, pretty. Fly thought butterfly was pretty. And fourth one, fly wanted to shine like the dash. Yes, stars. Fly wanted to shine like the stars. And fifth one, moon taught fly a secret dash. What's the answer? Yes, very good. Spell. Moon taught fly a secret spell. And sixth one, now fly could dash. Now fly could shine. So children, I will read once more. First one, fly was sad because he wanted to be special. Second one, fly thought bee was strong. Third one, fly thought butterfly was pretty. Fourth one, fly wanted to shine like the stars. Fifth one, moon taught fly a secret spell. And sixth one, now fly could shine. So children, you must complete these sentences in your textbook. So children, you should complete these sentences in your textbook from lesson 4. And don't forget to read the textbook. We can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.